Hi, my name is Grace Norman, and this is my video presentation for Lab 2 on the clay larynx model. Here is my model in full. I'm just going to go through the structures that were listed on the lab, and for starters, the clear plastic soda bottle, water bottle thing, is representative of the trachea. And then the green clay portion is the hyoid bone. The corpus is seen right here, followed by the greater horn of the hyoid bone on each side. It kind of goes up in a little arch, not by much though. The lesser horn, there's two right here, each of these points. In yellow, there is the thyroid cartilage right here. The superior horn of the thyroid cartilage is 1 and 2. They, again, like on the hyoid bone, the greater horn, they kind of go up and do a little curve. I tried to make it so you could see that, but I'm not quite sure. The thyroid notch is seen right where it kind of divots down. Let's see. So if you trace it, it goes down and back up. That's the notch. And then the left and right thyroid laminae, laminae are right here, one on each side of the notch and angle of the thyroid cartilage. And then the inferior horns of the thyroid cartilage are on each side as well. So 1, 2. You can see this one just a little bit better. I'm sorry about that. And then the angle of the thyroid cartilage is right here. I exaggerated it because I wasn't sure how well it'd show up, but this makes up an Adam's apple. And then the arytenoid cartilage is seen on the back side. The white pyramid-like structures, I tried to make them pyramids, but I don't think you can see that as much as I can. Okay, anyway, so the muscular process of the arytenoid cartilage is superior to the vocal process, which is inferior. So the muscular process is atop of the arytenoid cartilage, and then the vocal process is bottom of the arytenoid cartilage. So muscular and the vocal. And then on top of the arytenoid cartilage in blue, we have the corniculate cartilage, which is right here and then here. So they sit atop of the arytenoid cartilage. And then the epiglottis is in red right here. So you can see it on both the front and the back. Following the epiglottis is the cricoid cartilage, which is this blue ring that goes around the larynx and trachea. Here we go. Let's see. Can you see that? Yeah. Okay, so the cricoarytenoid articular facet is this part right here, where it's on the fatter portion. It goes skinny and then fatter. So this is the cricoarytenoid articular facet on the back. And then the arch of the cricoid cartilage, sorry, is on the front where it arches inward, and it's the skinnier portion, whatever. And then the posterior quadrate laminae of the cricoid is on each side. One is right here, the other is right here, and they are at the joining of where the posterior cricoarytenoid muscle attaches to the cricoid cartilage, and the muscle is in white, so I don't know if you can see that. Yeah. Okay. And then, so I'm going to move on to the muscles. In white, there, like I previously stated, is the posterior cricoarytenoid muscle. So there's right here. And then the cricothyroid muscle is on the front side with the pars recta and pars oblique. The pars recta are, ooh, you can't see that. The pars recta is right here. these two lines, and then the pars oblique is the outer two lines of the muscle. So recta, oblique. And then the interarytenoid muscle is on the back in yellow and red, this portion right here. The transverse is the yellow, and that's made up of more of the horizontal lines, so like this, because I know it's kind of hard to see on here, so it looks more like this. And then the oblique portion is the X, so that's seen in red, and then the transverse is in yellow, the oblique is in red. And then the thyroid vocalis muscle and the thyroid muscularis muscle are seen in yellow and green here. The thyroid vocalis is in green. So thyroid vocalis is in green on each side, and then the thyroid muscularis is in yellow, which is right here. And then, yeah, so this is my model of the larynx. I'm just gonna try to show the front and turn it around to the back. Okay. Yeah, and then the inside with the thyroid vocalis and thyroid muscularis. And you can actually see the trachea bottle part a little bit better here. Not that it's whatever. So yes, that is my model for the lab. Thank you very much.